How to watch anime on Anime Planet. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to watch anime on Anime Planet. So simply come to your Google Chrome browser or any other, or you can also open Safari if you want to, if you're using MacBook. And after that, on the search bar, just simply search for Anime Planet. Just simply go to the website and just click on the first link that you will see on the top. So basically, Anime Planet is a legal and community driven website for streaming and tracking anime manga. It offers a comprehensive database with over 45,000 anime episode and 15,000 different series that you can go ahead and watch, where user can find recommendations, create a watch list, and also rate content with, and they can interact with other fans. The site is supported by ads, and its content is offered a license. User can also create their personal list to track their progress, rate titles, and also get personalized recommendation. So in this website, if you want to sign up, you can go ahead and log in with your details, with your personal details, and after that just simply go to the search bar and search for your preferred show, TV show, or movie that you would want to watch over here. And once you find that, just simply go ahead and watch the show. It is quite easy to use. And yeah, there are so many options available that you can choose from. There are popular manga of this week. There are newest anime recommendation. People who have watched them and they have rated them. You can go ahead and watch these as well. So this is basically how you will be able to watch anime on Anime Planet. I hope you find this video to be helpful.